If you're coming to Nepal, which I'm happy you're thinking about, be sure you do not bring this. Instead, I want you to think about some of these things on this list. So we're going to be discussing things to put in your bag when you come to Nepal. The first thing I want you to think about is arch support insoles. So there are no shoes here with insoles, pretty much. They're all just flat-footed. So you'll want to have these if you need to replace your good shoes that have support. Also, if you have big feet, you really need to make sure your shoes are going to last you till you get home. There's just not very many big sizes. So it would be expensive and take a lot of, maybe a day or two to find. The second thing to bring from home, if you're coming to Nepal, is rechargeable batteries. And rechargeable batteries are available in Kathmandu for under $10 with the charger, so you don't have to worry about that. So please bring them from home or plan on buying them here. Actually, this environmental impact that tourism has is the darker side of the industry. So please do be responsible. Number 3, used children's books. Please don't bring new books, pens, pencils, or paper. Those are really cheap here in Kathmandu. But we need good children's books used because there's not a great selection, and we need them in English. Also, self-help books on codependency. So if you could bring some used books like that, that would be very helpful, in English preferably. If you have a late model camera, you can bring it, either Nikon, Canon, or Sony. You can get it fixed for a real bargain price in Kathmandu. So what I would have you do, though, is to email the corporation and see what they can tell you. But I guarantee you, your friends are going to want to have you bring something for them, too. It's a shame you have to throw something away just because it's out of warranty by a few months and it got dropped. They are fixable, cheap. The next thing I want you to consider is bringing our extra bank cards. Seriously, the banks, the ATM machines can be pretty fickle, and sometimes it just doesn't take your Visa card. So bring extras. It's a lot easier to just move money around a little bit than to transfer money to an overseas bank. I tried it. It didn't work real well. You can check out for that video. Next, if you have a 3-4-year-old mobile that you've replaced with 2 SIM cards, you can bring it. It could save someone's life. You can donate it. The women in the village really need mobile phones. And but first, use it for your trip. You don't have to worry about it if it gets lost or something. Next, used computer. If you have a used computer that's 3-4 years old, not too old, bring it. Even if it needs to be repaired, you can get it repaired really cheap, unless it's the motherboard. You can either sell it or you can donate it at the end of your trip. That way, if something happens, it gets damaged, it's not your good computer. Also, children really need laptops. With the pandemic, they've been using their mother's mobile phone to go to school, online. So that's not good. So if you could bring something, if you have it, they'd really appreciate it and help the child's eyesight and their learning ability. Next is, way to go, tampons. For young women, Aunt Flo can come anytime, especially when traveling. And you can get them in Kathmandu, but only in 1 or 2 stores. So rather than waste a day looking and making it a big chore, this is something you want to bring. Or, even better, our moon cups. So if you don't have that, you can find it in our description. We have a link for it. Or I think you can find it when you get here.